In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a waitlist using Mailchimp, spanning everything from creating an audience to notifying your eager participants when spots open up. Whether you're managing a webinar, launching a new product, or organizing an event, effectively handling your waitlist can create a seamless experience for both you and your participants. Let's dive into this process step by step so you can stay organized and in the loop with your audience. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, you'll need to create a new audience or segment dedicated specifically to your waitlist. This audience will serve as your central database, keeping all your waitlist signups organized in one place. If you already have an existing audience you'd like to use, simply create a segment within that group to keep these subscribers distinct from your other contacts. Next, we'll move on to designing an engaging sign-up form. This form is critical because it's the gateway through which interested individuals will express their desire to join your waitlist. Begin by selecting fields that are most relevant to the purpose of your list. Common fields include names and email addresses, but depending on your needs, you might also want to include phone numbers or specific interests. Make sure your form is visually appealing and easy to fill out to encourage maximum participation. Once your form is finalized, it's time to deploy it into the world. You have a couple of options here. You can embed the form directly onto your website, making it easily accessible to visitors exploring your site. Alternatively, you can share the form via email or through your social media channels. These sharing options will help you reach a wider audience and potentially increase the number of signups. Now that you've got your sign-up form out there, you'll want to automate confirmation emails. These emails act as an acknowledgement to those who have signed up, letting them know their interest has been registered. It's a simple touch that can significantly enhance the user experience, making your waitlist feel professional and reassuring. Set up these automations to trigger immediately after someone signs up so they know they're on the list and what to expect next. As you gather your waitlist members, using tags or groups within Mailchimp can help you manage and identify them effectively. Tagging allows for easy segmentation, ensuring you can communicate efficiently when the time comes. Finally, when you're ready to notify your waitlist members that spots are available, Mailchimp makes this straightforward. Reach out through targeted email campaigns to those tagged or grouped as waitlist members, providing them with the exciting news and the next steps they should follow.